What we're at the place. It's like 90210 revisited. We got rooms.
Oh, this is the crib for the night. Motel 6,
Crib.
high quality place, you know, we got the wood grain around the mirror.
Tripping.
We got a lamp.
Oh.
We have a desk in case we gotta do any like paperwork.
This is the editing table.
Editing table.
What up?
2 beds, which is my bed. This is mine.
Okay, you called it.
This is my bed.
Oh shit, luxurious.
Look at the bathroom. The light doesn't even work.
It doesn't even work.
Oh, it does. But only.
What hat shall I wear tonight? LRG tonight. I gave it to Justin. He's going to the room right now. It's over here, dude.
That's not 252.
No, it's 254.
Hey, Alex. Second.
Hey, Lay Day found the room.
Dibs on this bed. Sleep
This
already.
is cool. It's my pillows.